not been described as a dead miner. Herobrine is not a character, but rather a superstition. Knox said he was never implemented, saying Herobrine was removed in the 1.6.6 through 1.9 final release, and a subtool to stop the skins that had been made of him. In a possible attempt to scare people, the story raised high amounts of commotion on forums, but was later revealed as a prank of the popular forum and website 4chan.org. Stories like this are called creepypasta stories to scare the reader while they read them late at night. There are accounts of phantom players about nameplates, but these are more probable to be just mob glitches. It was said, however, that Herobrine would appear in two different forms. One was the stalker Herobrine, which have stalked a player, and the player would be able to see Herobrine if the person places his or her render distance too tiny. One spotted Herobrine would disappear. Another was a dead constructor. He would create various different hints of where he is, such as trees of no leaves, gigantic pyramids, and 2x2 tunnels, both lit with redstone torches. So that's about Herobrine. So I hope you stay tuned.